Welcome back to another video. Today we have a special guest. Come on. Hey! It's my cousin. Get out of here now. Today we're doing an unboxing video. I know you guys know me from my YouTube channel, but then I quit. I quit YouTube now. Yeah, he quit it, but now I have a YouTube channel. So today we're doing an amazing unboxing. I'm a soccer famous guy, not a YouTuber anymore. So there's 2 soccer shoes coming to our house today, and we're gonna see what shoes it is. Okay, so why are you barefoot? Here's his soccer shoes, and here's mine. We just got these yesterday. Yeah. We did got these yesterday. Yeah. So yeah. And guys, I just came to his house. These came to my house, and I started to take them to his house for us to open them. So I can't wait. We don't know what's in these boxes. We didn't open them. We haven't opened them. We want to open them so bad, but we didn't open them. Okay, so we have that ready. Someone ask you guys to count down with us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's open, guys. So he's gonna go in first. Oh, look at these, bruh. These are cool. These are so cool. They are so cool. They look like they are TS. Cause mine are Nikes. How do you know that? It says it on the thing. Oh. Yeah, I know. I know Nikes. I'm not stupid like you. And look at these shoes. Look at the second one. Wait, you guys be wondering why am I so messy? Because I ate pizza. Yeah, we ate pizza. Let's go. Oh, these are cool. These are my boots. Let's see his boots. I'll open them. Okay, I'm really nervous. No, let me open it. Guys, you better subscribe and you better hit the bell. And also, yeah. I hope this gets 1 million subscribers. And this is size 2 because I'm size 3. And they have a collar on top. Yeah. And guys, I hope this video gets to 1 million subscribers. So okay, let's go. Open them. 3, 2, 1. Holy! You didn't open. Holy smokes! Holy snap! Look at these guys. Akiro Vapors. And wait! This has an M and it's rainbow. It has an M. That's Mercurial Vapors. But it has Nikes. Yeah, it's a Nike Mercurial Vapor. It's signed by Nikes. And look, Ronaldo used to wear these. I know, but now he doesn't. He wore this in the 2018 match against PSG. Look how cool that is. Oh yeah! I saw it. That was like in 2018. Yeah. You wore this for the Champions League. Yeah. Oh, these are cool. Rate which one is better, right? Mine's better. No, mine's better. No, mine's better. Don't. You know why mine's better? Because Nikes have way more as the TS. So it doesn't matter. It matters on the quality. Look at mine. They are cool. So you guys, comments down below. Look which one's better, and tell us. And I'm gonna see. You better choose these ones. These are good. Mine's are better. Okay, thank you for watching. Guys, wait. We forgot to do something. I hope, guys, maybe we can make this go to 20 million subscribers, right? Make sure it goes viral. It has to go viral. If it doesn't go viral, I'll come to your bed and I'll just shit. I'll poop. Okay, that's a good one. Okay, bye.